Once upon a time, in a small village in China, there lived a wise Zen master, whose name was Master Chen. People from far and wide came to seek his counsel, for he was renowned for his profound wisdom and gentle guidance towards enlightenment. One sunny morning, as the birds sang melodies of hope, a young scholar named Kaito arrived at Master Chen's humble home. He was eager to unravel the mysteries of Zen, believing his intellect and vast knowledge would make him an adept pupil. Kaito approached the Zen master and declared, "Master Chen, I have come to learn the ways of Zen." Master Chen, with a calm expression, nodded in acknowledgement, but as Kaito began to speak, his words flowed like a river, unrestricted, drowning out the tranquility of the surroundings. He bombarded the master with tales of his own achievements and theories, scarcely pausing to listen to Master Chen's responses. Sensing the scholar's restless mind, Master Chen proposed they share a cup of tea with graceful movements. He poured fragrant tea into a delicate porcelain cup until it overflowed, spilling onto the table and cascading onto the floor like a miniature waterfall. "Stop. The cup is overflowing," exclaimed Kaito, his voice tinged with urgency. Master Chen looked upon him with a knowing smile. "Indeed," he replied with a gentle voice, "just as your mind is overflowing with preconceived notions and knowledge, how can you hope to learn the ways of Zen when your cup is already full?" Kaito's eyes widened with realization, and a sense of humility washed over him like a cleansing rain. He bowed deeply before Master Chen, acknowledging the wisdom of his words. This story serves as a reminder for all of us to remain humble, embrace new ideas, and be open to revising our preconceptions. It seems simple in theory, but in practice, it's challenging. As we age, our cups fill with the experiences and knowledge we've amassed over time. When confronted with differing perspectives, it's all too tempting to reshape others' words, to align with our existing beliefs. So entertain new thoughts and opinions. Even if you disagree, try to grasp the reasoning behind them.